Good morning class, myself Sunil Kumar, your math teacher. Today I am explaining class 5, chapter 4, operation on large numbers. In the operation of large numbers, your first topic is addition. Addition in the exercise 4a, and your next topic is subtraction. And your third topic is multiplication. But in the fourth topic or exercise 4D is the division. So a 4D and division part we can explain in the part 2. It's a part 1. In the part 1, the video of chapter 4, operation on large numbers, we should discuss about the addition, subtraction and multiplication only. In the part 2, we can discuss about the division, that is the exercise 4D. In the 4A, your addition is the addition of 7 or 8 digits. 7 digits or 8 digits, like that. 4, 9, 2, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3. 7, 6, 9, 2, 7, 6, 9, 5. 4, 7, 6, 3, 2, 8, 7, 6. Now we can add it. It's a ones place, tens, 100, it's a thousand place, it's a 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. At first it's a 3 and 5 and 6. We can add it. We got 14. 14, that means 4, and carry on 1. 4, 1, 5, 5 or 9. 14, 14 or 7, 21. We got 2, 1 and 2 as a carry on. 5 plus 2, 7, 7 or 6. 13, 13 or 8. 8, 3, 21. We got 2 also as a carry on. 7 or 2, 9. 9 or 7, 16, 16 to 18 or carry on 1. 8 or 1, 9, 9 to 11, 11, 3, 14, carry on 1. 1, 2 or 1, 3, 3 or 9, 12, 12 or 6, 18, we got 1. 9 or 1, 10, 10 or 6, 16, 16 or 7, 23, we got result 2 as a carry on. 4 or 2, 6, 6 or 4, 10, 10 or 7, 17, and that's our result. In this way, we can find the addition of 7 digit or 8 digit. In the language problem, there is also a language problem of addition. Language problem on addition. So your first question is a number exceeds 572 34823 34823 by 2573489. What is the number? What is the number? Here any number exceeds, that means यह अधिक है किससे, इससे, कितना, इतना, that means it should be 12 required number equal to required number exceeds, that means this number is greater than this number by that means when we add this and this we got the required number equal to 5 7 2 3 4 8 2 3 and 9 8 4 3 7 5 2, and now we multiply it. Here we got 9 3 12, 10 or 1 11, 13 1 8 0 8 9 5, and that's your result 5980831. That is the required number. Here is the required number. So in the second topic is subtraction. At first let 9 8 2 4 3 5 8 7, here 8 7 9 8 4 6 8 9. Here is the subtraction of the carry on. So this number is smaller than this, so we can take here as a 1 carry on 1, that means it becomes 17. When we subtract 9 8, here it becomes 7, that means this is greater by this, so 1 also here take we as a carry on. We got 17 and 17 minus 8, that means 9. Here also is a 4, here we take 1 carry on, here 4 1 14 minus 6 8. Here the result is 2 is also smaller than 4, so here we take 1 as a carry on, so 12 minus 4 8. Here is also 3, 1 we take when carry on, it becomes 13 minus 8, that means 5. We got here 1, here also we take a carry on, that means 11 minus 9 2, here is a 7 minus 7, we got result as 0, 9 minus 8 we got 1. This is the subtraction of the carry on. In this way you can subtract on this basis. Your next question is from the language problem of the subtraction format is what we subtracted from. Your question is what we subtracted from 9005 413 to get 7906547. So what word must be subtracted from this number? So that according to the question, here required number equal to this number must be subtracted from this number. This number must be subtracted from this number. So 9005413 minus 7906547, and by this method here we got 13 6 0 10 4 6 3, 13 minus 5 8 4 14 minus 6 8, it's a 9 minus 0 9, it's a 9 minus 9, we got 0. Here is the 8 minus 7, that's your result is 1. So required number, this subtracted from this number we got this number. Okay, in the multiplication form it's a 2 or 3 digit or many more multiplication. For example, 1 second. Here is the multiplication. So 8, 9, 4, 8, 7, 6 into 7, 6, 9. So in this format, at first, here we can multiply 8, 9, 4, 8, 7, 6 into 9. This is the first term. So 9 6 ja. When we multiply 8, 9, 4, 8, 7, 6 multiplied by 9, here we write here the resultants equal to 4, 8, 8, 3, 5, 0, 8. So that next term, here we should multiply 8, 9, 4, 8, 7, 6 into second term. Second term is 6. So here we replace the 9, we got 60. It's a place value. That means we multiply with the 60. So here we can multiply with the 60. We got the result 0, 6, 5, 2, 9, 6, 3, 5. Next term, here we replace this 69. We got the place value of 7 is 700. Now we multiply 8, 9, 4, 8, 7, 6 with the 700. We got the result equal to 0, 0, 2, 3, 1, 4, 6, 2, 6. And now we add them. It's got 4, 8, 6, 14, 1, 9 to 11 or 5, 16, 1, 3, 3, 6 to 8 or 1, 9, 9 or 1, 10 or 5, 15, 15 or 6, 4, 10 or 1, 11, 8, 4, 8, 6, 14 or 3, 17 or 1, 18, 1, 5 to 7 or 8, 6. That's how we got the result. In this way, here plus 5, 3, 6, 9, 2, 5. A box contains 3245 pencils. How many pencils are there in the 984 boxes? So that a required number of pencils equal to 3245 into 984. That means here in the rough position 3245 984. 4 5 ja 22, 4 4 ja 16 to 18, 4 2 ja 8 or 1 9, 4 3 ja 12, 9 8 5 ja 40, 4 8 4 ja 32 or 4 36, 3 8 2 ja 16 or 3 19 or 8 3 ja 24 or 1 25, 9 8 9 5 ja 45, 4 9 5 9 4 ja 36 or 4 40, 4 9 2 ja 18 or 4 22, 2 9 3 ja 27 or 2. So your result is 3193080 pencils. Okay, in this way you can find the